Yeah, 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia, business and inspiration. Yeah, welcome back. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, smart listeners and viewers at home. Of course, welcome back in our program, English discussion, Smart Up Your Life. Smart FM with English communities, of course. Yeah, when we're talking about English communities, I'm not alone here, of course. We have a friend from a several English community in South Sulawesi, especially in Makassar. And before we are going to talking about our topic for this evening, of course, I would like to invite them one by one, guys, to introduce themselves to you guys at wherever you are. Yes, with me, RD Sam. Okay, as I mentioned just now that I would like to invite them to introduce themselves one by one. Let's go. Let's play. Are you ready, guys?
Ready.
Okay, please introduce yourself one by one. Start from you. Okay, please, ladies first. What is your name? I mean, who is your name? What is your English community? What about the agenda and how it looks like?
Okay.
Please.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Yeah, quick, come on, go ahead.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So, my name is Nurul Azifa Al-Karama. People usually call me Z, and I'm from English Youth Community. It's one of community in Makassar, and we have many programs. One of the programs is intensive meeting. It's just for agents, and also free meeting. It's for general, so we can learn English together. And in English Youth Community, we're not just only learn about English, but we learn about teaching too. And we have special program in Kampung Binaan, in for children in Desa Terpencil. I don't know.
Okay, it's interesting.
Yeah.
Enough. So how do we call you?
Z.
Z-E-E.
Yes.
Z. Okay.
Yes.
Zona Economy Exclusive. Sorry, kidding. Welcome, Z. Yeah, in our second home for the first time for you. Okay,
Yeah.
welcome. Okay, next. You got a clue, no? Right? You know the clue?
Yes.
Okay, 30 seconds for you.
Okay.
Okay. You didn't know where. Okay,
warahmatullahi
please come on.
wabarakatuh. My name is
Assalamualaikum.
Afifi. I'm from BPEC, Benteng Panyua English Club. And our meeting is always in Sunday. Our weekly meeting, we call it LSM, Lovely Sunday Meeting. It held start
Lembaga
from
Sode Masyarakat.
yes, it held start from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. Yeah, just enough.
Okay.
Yes.
How do we? I mean, how we can join?
Okay. As participant, we open for all age. As long as not a baby, I think.
Okay.
Yes. Start from a kid like elementary school until because the
So
oldest one.
free of
yes.
charge.
Yes.
Okay.
Free.
Please mention the Instagram.
Okay. The Instagram is BPEC Makassar 86.
Okay.
Yes.
Welcome back.
Yeah.
Not welcome. Welcome back,
Yes.
Afifi, in our second home. Next.
Okay.
Newcomer. Okay, come on. Please, what is your name? What is your English club? What about the agenda and how it looks like?
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi.
So thank you for giving me this opportunity. So my name is Alifa Shahrani from English Youth Community, same as Z. And of course, in English Youth Community, we have an interesting agenda, and we do it every week, and we also have an agenda in every month. It's called Kampung Binaan, as what Z say, and that is we teach a child in there.
How do we call you? What is your nickname?
Oh, my nickname is Alifa.
Alifa.
Yeah.
Okay, welcome. Yeah,
Yes,
Alifa,
thank
for the
you.
first time in our second home. Okay, next. What about you?
Check. Okay, hello. My name is Gege, and it's my second time joining.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Second time.
It's my second time. My first
Welcome
time.
back.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm from BPC. Same with Afifi,
Mhm.
Benteng Panjua English Community. And I think Afifi already shared what we'll do every weeks.
Mhm.
This is such as lovely Sunday meeting.
Yeah.
But for the future, we try to more expand our activities.
Mhm.
Like we add some fun in English, like we practice storytelling, we practice like debate, we practice speech, and we try to make English is more fun. So that's it can be interesting for everyone to joining our community.
Okay, welcome
Okay.
back. Yeah, Gigi.
Thank you so
It
much for
sounds
the
interesting.
opportunity.
Yeah,
Yep.
next. Okay, please introduce yourself. What is your name? What is your English club? And what about the plan of the agenda of your English club?
Okay. I'm Mr. Go.
Oh, Mr.
Yes.
Yeah.
In my community always call me. Why they call me Mr. Go? Because I like go to some
Somewhere.
place to
some
another place,
Okay.
one country to another
Oh my
country.
God, mashallah.
Yes. Actually, yeah, my community is Bolangi English Community.
Yeah.
Is one of community in Patalasang.
Mhm.
Yeah, focus on student for pesantren.
Okay.
Hidayatullah students actually. Special for the poor students and also yatim. Yes, is similar with the program of our government, Sekolah Rakyat.
Mhm.
Yes.
And this is a exclusive, for how to say, especially for the students.
Special
But
student.
we may open for the who wants to be like a volunteer
Yes.
to want to teach or maybe do some activities
Yeah.
to help them to increase their English, something like that,
Yeah,
right?
and then
They may join.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fortunately, I hear one of the community always have siswa binaan.
Mhm,
Yeah,
mhm.
that's why if you have spare time,
Ah,
killing time, you may also come to my school, my pesantren,
yes.
and then you can share your experiences,
Uh-huh.
your knowledge also to.
I will
to
guiding you.
them.
Good. Because I know the place. Okay, thank you.
Thank
Welcome
you.
back, Mr. Ustad, Mr. Go.
Yeah, Mr. Go.
Mr. Go.
Mr. Go.
Welcome back, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, guys, give a applause for us. Yes, are you ready, guys? Please
Ready.
use.
Ready,
Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, okay, let's play my questions. Yeah, okay. Start from you again. Okay. How do you think about this topic? Because this topic is very simple, simplicity. How do you think about this topic?
Okay, for me, this topic is simple, but
Mm-hmm.
because it's my first time, so I get really nervous.
Really? Okay.
Yes, I prepared by talk with Gemini
Uh-huh.
all day.
Oh,
to-
Gemini.
Yes, for
Artificial intelligence, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
for this podcast.
Mm-hmm.
So I think it's gonna be amazing
Okay.
today.
So this is your first time to, how to say, on radio or media. Maybe this is your first time.
Yes.
Ooh, congratulations for you. This is your personal branding, digital
Yes, it's
personal
my
branding.
First time.
Okay, enough, or maybe you have still have
Enough.
any. Okay, keep your statement. Mr. Go. Okay, how do you think about this topic? This is a simple topic.
Yeah.
Simplicity.
Is related to passion actually.
Mm-hmm.
Passion.
Okay. Your hasrat, desire.
That's why similar with you, in line with your statement that I also tried to prepare the materials actually,
Oh my God.
and then I got the one of the point of Australian Council of Probation
Oh.
in 2003
Okay.
that one of the point is when your profession aligns with your passion. Yes, related with fashion.
Like me, maybe.
Yeah,
It's related with passion.
but it's in one hand. But in another hand, there is also an expert say that don't follow your passion.
Oh yeah.
That's why it's interest to discuss this moment.
Like the another explanation, the other theory,
Yes,
right?
yeah.
It's like contradiction.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the point is interesting to discuss actually.
Okay, keep your statement.
Yes.
Okay, what about you, Gege? Maybe this is very easy for you. So, how do you think about the easiest topic?
I think it's more easy. The topics is more challenging to discuss.
really?
Yeah,
How
because
could it be?
yeah, because I think if talk about the profession, we can talk a lot about the side of professions. We can
Mhm.
talk about what is the most difficult professions, what
Mhm.
is the most underrated professions that people don't take it, and I think so more. But talking about the profession, I think I'm very excited because
Mhm.
for now I'm also a worker and I have one or two professions more, so
Mhm.
I think I can more sharing my opinion and open to discuss about
Based
the
on
profession.
your
based on my
profession.
experience and professions also.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. What about you, Alifa? Okay, how do you think about this topic? Is this your first time on radio?
Yes, this is my very first time.
Congratulations. How do you feel?
I feel kind of nervous and kind of scary because
Okay.
I haven't in a
Uh-huh.
in a profession or having a job
Mhm.
yet. And this is very exciting because I want to know their opinion about a
Mhm.
profession and work.
Mm.
I think that's
So this is interesting, and you
Yes.
are can't wait to discuss more about this.
yeah.
Okay, give your statement, Fifi. Okay. Hajar. So explain about what is on your mind about this topic.
Yeah, just you say right now, yeah, this is simple, but I think it's a general topic. It
Mhm.
means there are so many insight of profession,
Yeah, yeah.
such as but from this topic we can know each other how our point of view about profession. I
Mhm.
think we are different.
Yeah.
Student of university and
Mhm.
also there is a worker.
Yes.
Yes. I think
Okay.
it's-
Enough. Thank you. Okay, I move to you, Mr. Go. Okay, please introduce yourself. I mean, like your profession and your experience. What is your profession?
Okay. My real profession is sometimes people say
Uh-huh.
dai on the street.
Dai on the
Yeah.
street. Okay.
I always come to my brother Muslim,
Mm-hmm.
invite them come to the masjid. Yeah, I learn actually.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Before subuh, I sometimes spend my time to meet my brother Muslim on the street,
Mm-hmm.
on anak pam also.
Ah.
Yeah,
Pang.
and then pang.
Pang. Okay.
Who always make
Okay.
something bad on the street.
Yeah.
But it's my duty actually to
Uh-huh.
invite them come to prepare themselves,
Yeah.
come to the masjid, and then very simple actually,
Okay.
similar with the profession of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
Mm.
That's why I learn English, because not only in Indonesia I do it, my profession as a dai on the street, but also when I went to go to abroad, another country, and then I speak in English.
Mhm.
One of my objectives, my aims to discuss with them how they recite La ilaha illallah,
Mhm.
because I know that who recite La ilaha illallah, they will come, even though once
Mhm.
they will come to Jannah.
Mm.
This. maybe in this case, I can, or maybe another case after this, I
Yeah.
can practice how to invite them, how to invite them recite La ilaha illallah in English.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So da'i ustad, it means that it's similar like teacher, something like that.
Yes.
But keep your statement. We will move to another, and I will be back to you. Okay.
Uh,
Keep your statement, Ustad.
Keep your statement.
Okay. What about you, Gege? What is your profession, and why do you choose that?
Okay, talk about my professions. My main profession is house in front desk agent in the front office department in hospitality hotel.
Okay.
But also my side job, I also like a event planner,
Oh wow.
tour guide,
Oh.
and yeah, I also accompany some trip like private trip, open trip.
Mhm.
I try to manage the accommodate. I try to
Mhm.
give the price for the
Mhm.
package
Mhm.
trip, and so many more.
Mm.
Why I chose
Yeah,
why I chose my job, because I think it's more like patience.
Mm.
I realized my patience since I was in a senior high school.
Okay.
Then luckily to me, because
Mhm.
I found it my patience,
Mhm.
and so that after I finished my senior high school, I didn't confuse about what I want to do, what I want to make something to reach the
Okay.
money, to get the money.
Okay.
So when I realized my passion, when I realized my ability, my skills, or anything about
so
that,
means that
yeah,
you early know
Yeah,
what
yeah, I'm
do you
a-
want.
yeah, I'm really now,
Okay.
and luckily to me,
Even planner, life planner.
yeah, it's
Right.
it's a little bit different, even better in life.
Yeah, it's it's similar.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Little bit, but it's in other case it's similar because you are
Yeah.
planner.
Yeah,
Right.
planner,
The essential of the planner, like you can organize.
organized,
Right, you can
Yeah.
organize something,
Agree.
include your life.
I
That's
see.
cool. That's cool.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you have any addition, or you keep your statement?
Keep it to my
Okay, keep your
statement.
statement. Okay, Alifa, what is your profession, and why you choose that?
I'm still studying.
Oh, you study.
Yeah.
So the question is,
Yeah.
what is your department major, and why do you choose that? And yeah.
Okay, so my major is in English Education Department in UIN Alauddin Makassar.
Okay.
And why do I choose this major? Because I want to be actually I like speaking English.
Mhm.
And why do I choose?
That's why you are here.
Yeah. And why do I choose English Education Department? Because my parents told me to be teachers in the future, but actually I want to establish my own English course.
Okay.
Yes, and
Juragan, yeah.
yeah,
Own course.
yeah,
Juragan.
my own course.
Uh-huh.
I think that's it.
So your department, your major is like linear with your, how to say, business,
Yeah.
right? Okay, it sounds good. Cool. Afifi, what about you? What is your profession, and why do you choose that?
I'm English private teacher and also writer, and
Okay.
last one is ghost writer.
Ghost writer.
Yes,
Oh.
ghost writer is
Not ghost hunter.
no.
Why do you choose them?
I think I'm so lucky because they also my passion.
Okay.
Yes, I like to write.
Okay, because they are your passion,
Yes.
like a writer
Yep.
and English
Yep. I
private
like English
teacher.
yes.
But I mean, like, when you start to do that?
I start to make a book. I
Mhm.
start on 2017.
Oh,
Yes, there's my first book. Before I go to
almost 10 years ago.
Yes.
Yes.
But the last one is 2019,
Mhm.
and soon my five book.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Okay. Give me gratis
We're
satu.
talking about the English basic
Oh.
class. Yes.
Okay, good. Sounds good. Cool. Okay, thank you. What about you? What is your profession?
I'm still a college.
Oh, you still college. So the question is switch. I switch my question. What is your department or majoring, and why did you choose that?
Okay, same as Alifa, I'm majoring English education department.
Mm-hmm.
And also it's not my first choice actually. I just accidentally come to that major because
Accidentally?
yes,
Why?
because
Uh-huh.
my first choice is international relation, but
Okay.
also I'm so glad to be in English education department because I think it's gonna be my passion.
Okay.
Yeah.
So everything is start with your passion. So you believe in your passion. That's why you take the major, the department, something like that, right?
Yes.
Okay. My next question. What is your dream
Okay, if I
and why? Yes.
If my dream is just become a lecturer, maybe it's
Lecturer.
just related to my major,
Mm-hmm.
and I got inspired by my lecturer that he really
He or
ama-
she?
he
He.
He.
Ah, okay.
is really amazing. Like
Uh-huh.
she go to the another country to study and become PhD.
Mhm,
That
mhm.
sounds cool. I want
Mhm.
to be him.
Like him.
Yeah, like him.
Oh my god, it's dangerous. Okay, it's okay. Yeah, we are still learn. We are still study.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course, keep practice because practice makes perfect.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Fifi? Do you have another um? I mean, like profession, like your dream. Do you want to say be do you still want to add your job, maybe like your dream or something like that?
Yes, I want
Okay, what is that and why?
movie director. I think that
Ooh, wow.
it is related with my what I do now.
Mm.
Write something.
Movie
script,
director.
yes.
Why?
Because I love writing.
Okay.
I want to make scenes
Mm-hmm.
and making movie.
Okay. So, what is your how? What is the step to get your dream?
Okay, the first is I try to learn about how to write something, especially in Indonesian and also English. So I make a book.
Mm-hmm.
I want use this book as my preference to continue my master.
Okay.
Thing. Because I know from scholarship we can, if we didn't have the same major,
Mm-hmm.
we can take the benang merah, what is to
Mm-hmm.
make it my master. So I use my book to
Mhm.
continue my future dream. I think.
Okay. Inshallah. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. I mean. Okay. What about you, Alifa? What is your dream actually, and why?
As my parents actually,
Mm-hmm.
if money doesn't matter, I
Mhm.
want to be a florist, but not in Indonesian.
Sorry.
Florist.
Florist.
Yes, I just
Florist.
yeah.
Florist. Really?
Yes.
Okay.
It's like
Like Marimar series. You don't know. You don't know different generation. Okay.
yes, because that was an interesting job. Like it just enjoy to write a letters for the couple outside.
Okay.
Yes.
It sounds like a romance.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to custom their floor.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, for his girlfriend
Mhm.
or
Ah.
their special person.
Mm-hmm.
But based on my major,
Mm-hmm.
but money is matter, right?
Mm-hmm.
Money is really matter right now. So I just want to be a lecturer, and as what I say, I want to be I want to establish my own English course.
You still have a big opportunity because in nowadays when someone how to say was graduate or graduation, they have a bucket, buket bunga, yeah, something like that. and
Yeah.
it's still related with the florist, right?
Yes.
Even the florist is the real flower, but the bouquet no. But you can still create, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Yes, of course.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to give your statement?
Yeah.
Yeah, give your statement. I move to you. Okay, this still the same question. What is your actually dream and why?
My actually dream job. Yeah, I think it's more that like the in the hospitality, but in the scale international.
Mm-hmm.
Because I used to work with a foreigner in some resort in
Mhm.
Bira,
Mhm.
and I think it's really fun
Mhm.
to work with them because I learn a lot of thing
Mhm.
from them. Also, why I said that I want to work as in internationals.
Mhm.
Have to say like that, but because my company
Mhm.
it's under the management internationals,
Mhm.
so it is possible for me to get transferred to
Mhm.
another country in my
Mhm.
management. So if I grow in my career
Mhm.
in
Like
Indonesia,
football player, yeah, transfer.
yeah.
Transfer pemain.
Yeah, it's similar. It's similar
Uh,
like them, but it's
uh.
more like the profession in the
Yes,
front
yes.
office, my department.
Mhm.
So if I can grow with
Mhm.
with a good how to say, with a good work, I
Mhm.
can get the transfer to another country.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Gege. I move to Mr. Go. Yes. I want to invite you to explain about your dream. Maybe in a past time, when you how to say still teenager. Maybe what is your
Still
dream?
young.
Yeah. What is your dream? What is your
Masya-
dream
Okay.
and why?
Yeah, my main profession is dai on the street,
Mhm.
and my supplement profession is I want to develop. I want to learn how to develop my foundation.
Okay.
We have a foundation in my family foundation. I mean,
Mm.
there is a school in Bulukumba,
Ah.
and I plan to develop it in
So you're from
Makassar.
Bulukumba, right?
Yes.
Okay.
From Bira, Kajang.
Ah.
Yes. My dream, my big dream is one of my big dream. I want to develop. I want to make a pesantren for disabilities.
Ah, okay.
Yes, pesantren disabilities.
That's
Uh,
unique, guys. Right?
yes.
It's unique, very
Um,
unique.
Is relate with the program of our government,
Uh-huh.
pendidikan inklusi.
Okay.
Pendidikan inklusi focus on public school like
Mhm.
SMA 1, SMA 2 in Makassar.
Mhm.
But pesantren disabilitas special for the student who have problem,
Mhm. Yeah, continue.
limited
Continue your explanation.
limited
or
problem.
statement. Uh-huh.
For example, have a problem with eyes, low vision, have problem with brain, for example, like slow learner,
Mhm.
smartest students also. And then we looking for the teacher, special teacher, I mean, and then we try to help them how to develop their interests similar with another students, and they also can get acquire their ambition. For
Mhm.
example, come to abroad to study PhD also. And then in line again, I say that it's in line with the program of President Prabowo Subianto,
Okay.
Sekolah Rakyat.
Mhm.
Not only for the rich students can get a high level education, but also from the poor and disability students.
Yeah, sounds
Yes.
like sila kelima keadilan sosial bagi seluruh rakyat
Yeah,
Indonesia, right?
yes.
So this is a very deep, meaningful, and very specific and unusual actually, but the positive unusual
Yeah.
because pesantren disability.
Disabilitas.
That is a very unique,
Yes.
guys, right? Okay, you want to still make edition or
Yeah,
you keep your
doa
statement?
for me, for us,
Amin,
yeah.
amin,
And
amin.
then again and again, please come to
Yeah,
our
Please
pesantren.
come. I will
in-
guiding you
Yeah.
guys. Okay, keep your
Thank you,
statement.
yes.
Okay. I will create my next question, and my next question is talking about profession. According to you guys, in your opinion, what is the best profession? One to raise hand for the first. Okay. What is the best profession in the world and why?
I think the best profession in a word is a doctor.
Doctor.
And
Why?
teachers also.
Why?
Why? Because they helping people sick,
Mm-hmm.
and the teachers is helping students who
Mhm.
want to learn about education or also every knowledge in this world.
Okay. So, a doctor and teacher because they're helping people's and of course they create or produce amal, right?
Yeah.
Amal. Okay, thank you. Fifi, what about you? What is the best profession in the world?
I think teacher and also farmer.
Teacher and farmer.
Yes.
Why?
Teacher because from the teacher there is a doctor and
Mm.
another profession, and
Mhm.
from farmer we can get some food. I think.
Mhm. Without food we cannot live. Thank
Yes,
you,
I-
farmer. Thank you. Oh my god.
Yes, I think that's teacher. teacher.
Okay. It's short. Short explanation. What about you, Gigi? What is the best profession in the world and why?
If mostly here say doctor, I would like to say a nurse.
A nurse.
Yes,
Why?
because a nurse, they're like how to say the direct contact to the nurse. I mean, like
Mhm.
the patients usually handling first by nurse and after
Mhm.
the nurse the doctor, because the doctors take an
Oh.
actions if
Yes, yes,
there is
yes.
some emergency
Mhm.
situations, but
Mhm,
the
mhm.
nurse, yeah, I mean she likes getting an infuse to your hand,
Mhm.
take care your
How to say in English ujung tombak? It sounds
Yeah.
similar with ujung tombak.
Yes,
Nurse
yeah,
is ujung tombak.
yeah, I think that's, and they are staying like 24 hours by
Yeah,
shifting
correct.
in every hospital.
Yeah.
Also there keep maintenance our medicines
Mm.
to stay consume our medicine. So I think nurse is the best job.
Right. Thank you for the nurse. Thank you so
for
much
every nurse.
for your loyalty.
Yes.
Okay.
Like COVID-19, yeah, the nurse is very, how to say, amazing. Amazing of their work for the impact of
Yeah.
so much people.
That's the sharp point.
Yeah.
Especially for the COVID-19 era. Okay, what about you, Mr. Go? What is the best profession in the world and why?
I learned to give a statement based on the data.
Okay.
Okay, actually in Islamic perspective,
Yeah.
Allah Subhanahu wa Taala tried to give a statement about your question. What is the best profession in the world?
Mhm.
In Surah Saf
Mhm.
ayat 10, Allah Taala said that I will show you the best profession.
Mhm.
Is similar with your statement, ma'am. Ma'am siapa? Teacher actually. Yeah, teach, invite the people to obey the rule of religion, and
Mhm.
this is this act always act by the teacher or lecturer.
Mhm.
Yeah. So in Indonesia siapa yang mengajak kebaikan dia akan dapatkan kebaikan.
Masya
Yeah.
Allah.
So it's my point.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah.
The people who always invite the people. Hey,
There is no doubt.
Yeah.
Don't
yeah.
We're talking about Al-Quran.
Yeah.
Mashallah.
Don't do the bad things in your life.
Mhm, mhm,
Please
mhm.
give a good thing
Yeah.
to yourself and another people.
Okay, the
Yes,
point.
The point actually.
Okay, thank
Yes.
you. Oh my god, it's very deep. What about you, Z? Zona economy exclusive. Kidding. Okay. What is the best profession on your version and why?
Okay, so based on the
Mm-hmm.
so I would say a teacher.
Again.
Based on Mr. Go,
Why? Why teacher?
because every any other profession, we 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 was teach by the teacher. Like
Mhm.
when we were still kids,
Mhm.
we learn in school, and teacher is teaching us.
Okay. Thank you. Most of us choose teacher. Hidup guru. Okay. My next question, Afifi, what is the hardest profession on your version?
On my version is doctor, I think.
Doctor. Why?
Yeah, my younger sister is a doctor.
Mm.
Yes, she said that. Yeah, we got many pride, but also we also have the hardest in our life, because as a doctor they can give the medicine to
Mhm.
their patients,
Mhm.
but they do not directly give facility to our family, I think.
Mm.
That's why they spend much time with the other people, but
Mhm.
sometimes get the night shift, so
Mm.
they didn't go home. Yes.
Okay. Like sacrifice. Everything is sacrifice for
Yes.
doctor.
Yes.
The time.
Yeah.
Um,
Also like malpractice.
oh yeah. Oh my God. It's very high
They
risk.
should take responsibility about
Mm.
that. Even they didn't do
Yeah.
that, but
The level of the
yes.
rise is very high,
Yes, yes.
highest rise. Talking about the doctor, right?
Yep.
Okay. Oh my God, the responsible is so huge. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. What about you? What is the hardest profession and why?
Same as her, actually.
What is? Do not
Because-
copy.
No,
Kidding,
I'm not.
kidding.
Because doctor is save our life. Like, not just a doctor, but everyone in the hospital, like nurse,
Mm.
doctor, and maybe that's all.
Mm.
And
Same answer and similar
yes,
explanation.
I have no idea because they answer.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
And the most important is doctor, how to say, berjasa in your life. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Mr. Go, I move to you again. What is the hardest profession in the world and why?
In Al-Quran also Allah said lawyer is harder. Yes,
Why?
because they
Was it?
must show
Mhm.
the good, the best good things.
Mhm.
Yes, in the result of meeting. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yes, but unfortunately there are many problem faced by the lawyer when the people try to give money, for example, gratification.
Oh yeah.
Sometimes they change their result,
Listen.
listen,
Gratification.
from the good to the bad.
Mhm.
Yes, and the second one, singer also.
Singer?
Singer.
Sing a song?
Yes.
Singer? Why?
When they perform with the sexy
Okay.
performance, for
Uh,
example, and then it can give bad impact to the youngsters.
Okay.
That's why I say that it's hard actually,
Mhm.
because
they're responsible.
yeah, they can give a bad
Uh-huh.
effect
Uh-huh.
to another people, especially for the youngsters.
Yeah, yeah.
Is
Dosa
it-
jariah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Sorry, is it out of a topic?
No, it's still relate because
Yeah.
you have a another perspective because our perspective is it's free to express.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Based on your experience.
Yes.
Okay. Enough.
Yes.
Okay. What about you, Gigi? What is the hardest profession on your version and why?
If Mr. Go said a lawyer, I would like to say a judge.
Oh, judge.
A judge.
Okay.
A judge in
Satu
bahasa
mata rantai.
hakim.
Okay.
Yeah, because being a judge, it's very needed every
Mhm.
considerations.
Mhm.
You have to decide which is right and which is wrong based on the you're considered.
Mhm.
Yeah, and it depends on the lawyer. When it's the lawyer have the statement persuasive,
Mhm.
and if it the another one didn't have a persuasive statement,
Mhm.
and you as a judge take a wrong
Mhm.
decisions,
Yeah.
I think it's very harder to decide
Oh,
because
yeah,
it is
yeah.
more about life someone you
Like a
you-
more real.
yeah, more real.
More
You-
morale. Yes.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
I think because there were so many cases that when someone get how to say like divonis
Mhm.
dengan punishment or like the in jail about
Mhm.
a year, but after a year the mereka prove not wrong.
Ah,
Dia
yeah.
tidak terbukti
Yeah.
bersalah.
Oh my God.
So I think it's very in bahasa merugikan
Mhm.
life of someone
Mhm.
because being a judge, yeah, it's still many have the considerations
Yeah,
to
yeah.
deciding.
high risk. Yeah.
High risk.
High risk. Okay. Thank you. What about you, Alifa? Are you still okay? Okay. What is the hardest profession on your version and why?
So in my version is the hardest profession is being technic engineer.
Okay. Why?
It's not hardest, but it's
It's.
I
We're
mean-
talking about the hard. What is the hardest? We're talking about the hardest. Come on. Come on.
Okay.
Come on. Okay.
it's hard because would you imagine that when someone work for their family and we don't know if he will got an accident or something risk in their when their work.
Mm.
Yeah, it will
Like the rise is a level is very high.
yeah
Yeah, because it's about your life, your
Yes,
your safety,
your safety.
Okay, thank you.
yeah
About life. Okay, my next question. Yeah, still talking about profession and Smart FM 101.1, the Spirit of Indonesia Business and Inspiration. Still with us, with me, Erde Sam. Yeah, we will talking. My questions is. This is the contradiction and opposite. I mean opposite. In the previous we're talking about the hardest, and now we're talking about the easiest, right? Okay. Gege, what is the easiest profession on your profession? The easiest.
The easiest one,
Yes.
I think, chef.
Chef, are
Because-
you sure?
Because everyone can cook.
Oh, really?
I mean, cook is a
I cannot.
oh. I mean, like cook. It's a skill that the humans need. Not in the perfections, but at least you know how to cook. But how can I say being chef? It's easy
Mhm.
in this context.
Mhm.
Yeah, because I can still cook by learning in
Mhm.
TV,
Mhm.
in YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, being a chef, I think it's easy for me.
Because
That's it.
we can learn everywhere.
Yeah, we can learn everywhere.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Afifi? What is the easiest profession in the world
Okay.
on your fashion?
In my
Why?
opinion, is
Mhm.
online shop seller. I think.
Are you sure that is the easiest?
Yeah, it's
Why?
on my point of view because we just stay at home and cover the things
Uh-huh.
that we should send to the other people and call the courier.
Uh-huh.
We
Ya,
just
mari
prefer
singgah,
about
mari
this.
singgah masuk ada di bagian.
Yes,
Kayak
yes,
gitu
and
ya?
also I do live streaming on
Okay.
media, social media.
Mhm.
Yeah.
What about you, Z? What is the easiest profession in the world?
I really have no idea about the easiest profession actually.
You have to
because-
put.
Yes, because every profession must be difficult for them. And if I must answer this question,
You must.
I would answer. Wait a second, I forgot. Probably I would say. What to say?
What is this? Photographer?
No,
Parkir?
Parking
Parking guy?
No, yeah,
Do not
Yeah.
copy, please, please.
yeah,
What is
parking
it?
guide, because
Because
sometimes they're so annoying. Like
they lost, and after that
Yes.
appear.
they didn't even help us to. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah. We drove our motor and suddenly
Yes.
they are come and
Yes,
pay the money, ask the money.
yes,
Uh-huh.
of course, and we didn't even have uang kecil.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank
Yes.
you. Okay.
that's
What
all.
about you, Alifa? What is the easiest profession in the world and why?
Okay, in my point of view, the easiest profession in this
Beggar?
I think is seller.
Sorry?
Seller.
Seller?
Seller.
Seller is
I mean, like-
easy?
I mean,
Are you sure selling is easy, seller? Oh my
I mean-
god.
I mean
Yeah,
just-
come on.
we just prepare the thing that we should sell
Uh-huh.
and just waiting for the just waiting for the
Uh-huh.
customer to come in
Uh-huh.
our.
What about if the customer have many complaints? Is it very easy to handling the complaints?
Sorry, what does that mean?
I mean like kalau mereka banyak keluhan, apakah itu gampang buat ngehadapinya sebagai seorang penjual?
I don't know actually, but I just terima if they have a compliment.
Okay.
They have a complaint.
Uh-huh.
So because it's our apa ya?
Hmm.
It's our sebagai penjual kita hanya bisa menerima gitu kan.
Okay. Customer is the king and queen. Okay. What about you, Mr. Go? What
Oh,
is
yeah.
the easiest? Have sudah?
Not yet.
Okay. Okay. What is the easiest profession in the world and why?
Yes, your question is still in line with the Australian Council of
Okay.
Professions
Okay.
points that
Uh-huh.
profession aligns with your passion.
Mhm.
Because my passion is selling.
Mhm.
Why? Because when I was child in Kampung Bulukumba,
Yeah.
my mom always learned me how to sell in market,
Mhm.
traditional market.
Traditional market.
Apa cari-cari Bu Haji?
Masuki.
Masuki. Yeah, that's why I agree with Miss
Hey, come on.
Miss Alifa that selling is very easy. I have little experience when I was study in university.
Mhm.
I joined in one multi-level and
yeah.
then after while
Right
studying
and left.
Yes.
Food. The food. Right.
yeah, no. When I study in university, while study in campus,
Mhm.
sometimes I inform my product to a lecturer,
Mhm.
to my friends also,
Mhm.
and then through this one,
Mhm.
I can buy some some books, for example,
Oh,
to help
Yeah.
to complete my study.
Wow.
Yes, and then selling.
Mhm.
That's why I always invite the speaker to come to my pesantren
Yes. Yes.
to hold public speaking for selling.
Mhm.
Because it's very important. I
Uh-huh.
also try to learn my students
Mhm.
in pesantren to
Mhm.
be a seller. Yeah,
You
because
may
it's-
invite our members to join to help. Yeah, I'm
Again.
not kidding. I'm not kidding.
Yes.
You may guys may help the students. I mean, like something like kampung binaan, or just like
Yes.
volunteer
Yes.
to get amal. Yeah.
Yes. Make
Yeah,
amal.
yeah.
Charity program actually.
Charity program,
Yeah,
yeah.
depends on your skills. Yeah,
Mhm.
maybe public speaking,
Mhm.
for teaching, for
English.
learning.
English.
It's
Yes?
better for selling.
Yeah. English,
Because,
maybe you have a skill English or Arabic,
Yes.
right? Okay.
Yes.
Mm.
Because we have program entrepreneurship program in our pesantren kewirausahaan, how they make a simple product and then how to sell to not only for the people in Patalasang but also in outside.
Mhm.
Well, in public, a place like in there is a program on Sunday morning in
Benteng Panyo English Club?
Yeah,
Car Free
Car Free Day.
Oh, Car Free Day?
Car Free Day.
Okay.
Yeah. We try to learn
Mhm.
them to sell their product.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Go.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Gigi, what about you? What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
Yeah, my conclusions.
Mhm.
It is like, yeah, we talk about the profession. It's very fun
Mhm.
because we already know each other about the perception of professions. And actually, profession is one of the skill or one of the basics that everyone should have
Mhm.
because to get the money, I
Mhm.
think we have to get the money for to get the productive,
Mhm.
to buy anything,
Mhm.
to buy how to say if I talk about the money, I will
Uh-huh.
yeah, because profession is very important for everyone's life. That's it.
Mm. Okay, thank you. What about you, Alifa? What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening? Come on. Yo, you blank. Come on.
So all I can say is profession is very important as what Kak JJ said because it will help.
JJ?
GG.
Gege.
Okay, Kak JJ said.
JJ, it's how to say, similar with Jenny, JJ. Okay, continue.
Okay, because with job it will help us to get what we want.
Mm. Okay, Fifi, what is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
Okay, as we know, every profession has advantages and also disadvantages.
Mhm.
But the most important is how to make our profession give us benefit and also to the other people.
Z, what is your conclusion about our topic for this
Okay,
evening?
so this topic is really interesting, and I know the other perspective. So jobs, it's really important to gain money and
Mm.
also for us to live the life we
Mm.
deserve.
Love is money.
Yeah.
Okay, last wise word. Pesan bijak.
Yes.
Yes, please.
Looking for the profession based on your passion
Mhm.
and if you want to be a rich people, be a businessman.
Okay.
So entrepreneurship is very important for us,
Okay.
especially for the students.
Thank you so much, Mr. Go. Thank you, Gege from BPC.
Oh, thank
Thank
you
you,
so much.
Lifa from ESC. Thank you, Aviv from BPC. Thank you, Z from BPC. Give a big applause for us. Thank you so much, guys, for coming here in our second home, Smart FM, and program English Communities. Yeah, with Smart FM, of course. That's all, smart listeners and viewers at home, wherever you are. That's all our topic, and the topic is talking about profession. And see you for the next week. Yeah, in 101.1 The Spirit of Indonesia, especially in English program at 7 until 8 p.m. Good evening. See you. Bye.